Mga moms, may time din ba na sobrang excited kang mag-invest? Feeling mo late ka na, kailangan mong humabol sa tax, negosyo at sa lahat. Pero may credit card balance ka pa ng almost 20% interest. O kaya personal loan o line of credit. Yung parang utang mo na nagpa-party na at ikaw ang naiwan sa labas. Then I heard a podcast about Charlie Munger on how to invest wisely. Sabi niya, wealth is not about hacks. It's about discipline and avoiding obvious, stupid mistakes. Ang big realization ko talaga mga moms, bago natin palaguin ng pera, tigilin muna natin ang pagkalubog sa utang. Kasi if may 19% interest ka sa credit card, paying it off first is like earning a guaranteed na 19% return. Safe pa at walang risk. So, ang pinaka-smart move para makalaya tayo sa utang mga moms, you stop adding new debt. Huwag mo nang mag-online shopping. And number two, live below your means. Kahit may konting sacrifice. At pangatlo, attack the highest interest debt first. Find ways to increase income, hindi yung purong tipid-tipid lang. I realize mga moms, short-term sacrifice is a long-term freedom.